In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and enable live chat here on a YouTube live stream. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, it can be super annoying when live chat is turned off, especially when viewers want to interact, ask questions, or chat with each other during your stream. Let's go ahead and fix that. To get started, obviously open up YouTube and make sure you're signed into the correct account. And up in the top right corner, you're going to see a little create option. Go ahead and select that and then hit go live. This is going to take you to the YouTube Live Studio. From here, go ahead and look on the left side and you're going to see a little stream settings on here. Select stream, and in this option it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to see a chat option over in this section. If you don't see this section, don't worry. You're going to see a little edit option right here next to your title, kind of in the stream settings option. Go ahead and select that, and you're going to see a bunch of different tabs on here now. Essentially, ignore everything on this details page unless you want to go ahead and change like the title and the description or whatnot, and go into the customization tab, and you're going to see a live chat option on here. Go ahead and make sure this is enabled. You can also adjust extra settings like slow mode or subscriber only chat if you want. It's kind of up to you. But whenever you do have live chat enabled, just make sure that you save your changes right here, and your viewers will now be able to chat during your live stream. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.